Yung nag-best setter po ako. Noong 87 season. Tapos nag-champion kami.
Siguro nung hindi pa ako masyadong marunong talaga mag-volleyball, lagi ako pinapasok ni coach. Yun, kinakabahan ako sobra.
So far, my last year in UAAP, the 3-peat championship.
Yung first and last champion ko sa Perpetual.
My most memorable moment in my volleyball career was when we fought against Lasal in Mo Arena and in Araneta Coliseum. That was a dream come true for me because I never imagined myself being there and 90,000 people watching us.
This sports special is brought to you by Petron Blaze 100, Euro 4 high-performance gasoline meets European fuel quality standard. From Petron, the only Filipino oil refinery in the Philippines. After that rousing win by Petron over Bingo Millionario, we now move on to our second match of the day. The undefeated Cagayan Valley Rising Suns taking on Signal HD in our ongoing coverage of the Philippine Superliga right here on Solar Sports. Noel Zanat is still alongside Noreen Go. Noreen, let's take a look at our updated team standings. Petron has now moved into the 2-win club.
That's right, and if you look at the top, of course, Cagayan has yet to be defeated. 3-0, Army 2-1, and we're talking about it, Petron 2-2, Signal 1-2, PLDT 1-2, and Bingo Millionario 1-3.
And of course, Bingo Millionario occupying the cellar. But of course, as we know, there will be no elimination here. It is just a classification stage. But let's talk about Cagayan Valley right now. You know, Sol Invictus, which means undefeated right now. 3 wins, and of course, 2 of them actually took 5 sets to accomplish. Leading the way in their last win, of course, Sheila Pineda. We call her Bangnita. She had 19 points in that game. Sandra De Los Santos, 6 aces to go with her 18 points. Annalyn Benito, Joy Benito with 13 points. Jack Jonella, 19 digs. You know, the list goes on and on for the brilliance that the Chargers of Coach Nes Pamilar have been playing.
Well, you know, it was a very well-rounded game for this team, but we got to make mention Wendy Ansemana with 40 excellent sets. So obviously, she has, you know, moved the ball around. She gives all her teammates the same opportunities, and everyone has been stepping up.
But Sheila Pineda, you know, she played excellently in that win against the TMS Philippine Army on defense with 14 excellent digs that time. 19 points. We all know this young lady can score. Let's see if she can repeat it again today.
Of course, I'm sure, you know, Sheila Pineda, she has been a name. She has made a name for herself, and she has been performing well. Good for her, and the clips on her hair.
Right, the franchise is back. Well, of course, for Signal HD, they were just a little bit off in their last game, and I can actually say that Venus Bernal, despite the 12 points that she scored, as you see on your graphic right now, despite the 12 points, was like, what, 12 out of 10,000 in that game, and it was a total of 37 errors that really spelled doom for Signal HD against the 19 of Bingo Millionario in their last loss.
But you know, you gotta give them credit, give these girls credit, because I'm sure they haven't practiced enough with each other. And in a league like this, such high caliber players, you got to give them time to warm up and try to get their game back.
There's Honey Royce Tubino, of course, on your screens. Led the way with actually 19 points, not 18 in that game. 19 points for Royce Tubino. Backstop there by Danica Henrauli. They need to play as a complete unit in this game if they want to bounce back from that loss against Bingo Millionario. And now we introduce the third member of our panel. Let's send it over to Ricky Flores.
Thank you very much, Noel. Now, Coach Nes's team is now 3-0. Unfortunately, though, he says he does not use this as motivation for his team. What he does use, though, is enjoyment, as he wants his team to just have fun. Wala kaming superstar at kami ang pinakamahina na team pagsimula ng Superliga. He says on the other side, Coach Sammy and the Signal team worked on their floor defense over the weekend and warns me that we should be expecting a lot of fast and quick plays for them, as that was one of their adjustments. Noel and Noreen?